Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the bike stable and committed. Eyes up, steady speed, and your body relaxed. Once stable, slightly roll off the throttle and slowly pull the clutch to the friction point so the engine load transfers predictably. Make sure to sense the bite rather than yank. That connection tells you when the transmission can accept a gear change. When you feel the engagement and RPMs are steady, prepare your foot to lift to the next gear with a controlled movement. Now execute the shift. In an upshift, roll your toe to lift the lever in a decisive but measured motion. For a downshift, tap down while blipping throttle if needed. Once the shift clicks, begin a progressive clutch release while simultaneously rolling the throttle back on to match engine speed. This prevents drivetrain shock. Make sure your movements are coordinated rather than sequential. Clutch release and throttle input should overlap. Keep your foot stable and your posture centered so the bike remains balanced through the Finish by fully releasing the clutch and setting a steady throttle. Listen and feel for the correct engine tone that confirms the gear. If you land in a false neutral or hear clunking, immediately clutch in, stabilize RPMs, and reselect the desired gear with a deliberate shift. Do not force the lever. Once done, focus on timing. Too slow on the clutch causes drag, too quick causes jerks. Practice these small adjustments at low speed until the coordination becomes automatic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.